So hey, we are here from Scaling Agile Global and sitting here with Swen Wegner as the founder of Scaling Agile Global. And the question was, Sven, how does all this started here?
So it started about 1.5 years ago, where I was in a position where I just started into an Agile company, my previous employer, and I didn't really know what Agile was. So I thought of bringing that community closer to me by opening up a meetup group and inviting all the Agile enthusiasts to talk about Agile.
Okay.
We had, at the very first meetup, we had Kurt Jäger from Kigon there to talk about the different scaling Agile methods. It really helped me to understand more about how companies approach an Agile transformation. It got so popular that we hosted now 4 meetups. You being the co-founder, Peter, could you maybe tell a little bit about the present and the future?
Oh, of course, thank you. So what we're doing in the present is, we're trying to bring the community together. So in the present, we have opened several locations in several countries where we're hosting meetups. And the funny thing is, they're growing because there's a big need to talk about agile transformation, different kind of scaling networks. And you brought all the badges on it. Which kind of badges do we have in the moment?
So we currently have the Safe Meetup badge, the Scrum at Scale badge, and the Less badge. All of them were accredited officially by the founders.
Cool.
Yeah.
So one of the key points is that we are not talking about one scaling framework. We are open to all of them. And as you said before, one of the first sessions has been to talk about all the scaling networks, what the difference is, where to adjust them and to do so. So that was very cool.
Yeah.
Going into the future is, now we're going to grow the different countries together with you. You are the key part of this. We would like to support you to talk to each other, to come together. That's the main part. But then the next step would be that we connect each groups. So you connect with other groups in different countries and get more information about this one. Sven, what do you expect from that?
Oh, that's a good question. I would say the groups are going to pop up very soon, ideally all over the world, I would say. But giving that local knowledge for people to come together and do workshops and exchange their agile information, right, is very key. And I think when they do it on a global level, it'll be like, you could always say, a hub for people to come together and learn more about Agile globally.
Yeah, so cool. So we're doing this for you guys. Connect, expand, talk to each other, talk about frameworks. We are here to help, we are here to support. Thank you very much.
Come and join us.